Let's practice man-made and natural things. Question number 1. Answer the following. Number A. What are man-made things? Man-made things क्या है? Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Number B. Give 2 examples of man-made things. House and car are 2 examples of man-made things. Number C. What are natural things? Natural things क्या है? Things that are not made by man are called natural things. Number D. Give 2 examples of natural things. Sun and mountain are 2 examples of natural things. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. And what are the words? House, natural, man-made, river. Number A. Things that are made by man are called dash things. The answer will be man-made. Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Number B. Dash is a natural thing. The answer is river. River is a natural thing. Number C. Things that are created by nature are called dash things. The answer will be natural. Things that are created by nature are called natural things. Number D. Dash is a man-made thing. The answer is house. House is a man-made thing. Question number 3. Give 5 examples of each. Natural things, man-made things. Natural things का 5 examples दो, man-made things का 5 examples दो. So start with natural things. Mountain, sun, ocean, tree and animals. Now man-made things. Clothes, house, train, books and pencil. Question number 4. Tick the things which are made by man and cross which are not made by man. जो चीज इंसान ने बनाया है उसे टिक करो और जो चीज इंसान ने नहीं बनाया है उसे क्रॉस करो. First, river. It's not made by man. Next, TV. Yes, it's made by man. Books. These are also made by man. Mountain. No, it's not made by man. Next, tree. No, it's not made by man. Table. Yes, it's made by man. Car is also made by man. Next, sun. No, it's not made by man. But house is made by man. Question number 5. Circle the odd one out. जो अलग है उसे सर्कल करो. Number A. Mountain, river, train and tree. Can you tell me which one is odd? Train. Because mountain, river and tree are natural things, but train is a man-made thing. Number B. House, aeroplane, table and moon. Can you tell which is odd? Yes, it's moon. Because house, aeroplane and table are man-made things, but moon is a natural thing. Number C. Ocean, TV, bicycle and pencil. Can you tell which is odd? Yes, it's ocean. TV, bicycle and pencil are man-made things, but ocean is a natural thing. Number D. Tree, car, tiger and sun. Yes, car is the odd one because tree, tiger and sun are natural things, but car is a man-made thing. Question number 6. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word. Number A. M-N, M-D dash. Yes, the word is man-made. M-A-N, M-A-D-E, man-made. Number B. M-N, T-N. Can you tell what is this? Yes, the word is mountain. M-O-U-N. T-A-I-N. Number C. M-T-R. What is the word? Yes, it's nature. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Number D. N dash T dash R A dash. Yes, the word is natural. 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 Question number 7. Write M for man-made things and N for natural things. Number A. House. It's a man-made thing. Number B. Mountain. It's a natural thing. Number C. Human beings. It's a natural thing. Number D. Chair. It's a man-made thing. Number E. Ocean. It's a natural thing. Number 8. Clothes. It's a man-made thing. Number G. Tree. It's a natural thing. Train. It's a man-made thing. Number I. Animals. These are natural things. Number J. Mobile phone. It's a man-made thing. Question number 8. State true or false. Number A. Things that are made by man are called natural things. जो चीज को इंसान ने बनाया है उसे हम नेचुरल थिंग्स कहते हैं. नो, इट्स फॉल्स. उसे मैन मेड थिंग्स कहते हैं. नंबर बी. स्टार्स आर नेचुरल थिंग्स. स्टार्स सारे नेचुरल थिंग्स है. यस, इट्स ट्रू. नंबर सी. थिंग्स दैट आर क्रिएटेड बाय नेचर आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल थिंग्स. जो चीज नेचर से बना है उसे हम नेचुरल थिंग्स कहते हैं. यस, इट्स ट्रू. नंबर डी. बाइसाइकिल इज ए नेचुरल थिंग. बाइसाइकिल एक नेचुरल थिंग है. नो, इट्स फॉल्स.